Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the TP-Link Deco yellow light problem step by step. So as you can see over here in this particular image, you are going to see this type of yellow light. So on most of the TP-Link Deco system, this particular yellow light or the amber light usually means that the Deco is booting up, reconnecting, or unable to establish a stable internet connection. If the yellow light stays on for a long time, the Deco may be struggling to communicate with the modem, router, or the main Deco unit. So in order to fix it before even resetting anything, you just have to make sure that your main Deco unit and the modem are working correctly. So if the primary Deco has no internet access, all the secondary Deco units can also show the warning lights. So you can restart the modem first, then restart the main Deco and wait for a few minutes for the network to stabilize. Now, if you are using the wired setup or the Ethernet backhaul, you can also inspect the Ethernet cable carefully. So sometimes a loose or damaged cable can also stop the Deco from detecting the internet properly. Now you need to also open the TP-Link application on your device. Afterwards, inside it, you just have to simply take a look at the device status. If the Deco appears offline, you need to remove the node from the app and then add it again manually. Now, if the yellow light still stays continuously, you can also perform a reset. So in the reset, what you need to do is you need to simply press the reset button or the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the LED starts changes. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.